Hey traders, it's Friday. All right, so it's SpaceX Day here for everybody on June 12th today. So markets up a little bit, SpaceX up a bunch. Everybody's all excited. Market's been up and down for the week, and at one point was down or flat for the entire week. But we had a great week here, and I want to share some of the trades that we have with you so you get a sense of what the trades look like that we're putting on. Six winners that I want to share with you. So let's jump into those now and let's cover the winners from this week and maybe get some trade ideas from these. So we had six good winners this week. Made 7,200 bucks on these trades. Again, just doing the same overall systems here. I have two main systems that I'm running. That would be the 1-1x bear trap type trades, and I'm running the poor man covered calls, really the dynamic poor man covered call trade. And I've got long versions of those, and then I've got short-term versions where I actually go in the money on those to provide a little downside protection, a little bit of a different twist than doing uh, naked puts or cash secured puts because I have no desire to want to get assigned the stock, and I like the leverage I get from selling leaps or at least selling shorter dated or buying shorter dated options, I should say, and writing calls against them. Anyway, that's what we did this week. Let's get into each of the winners and talk about those if we can. All right, first one was a bear trap, a 1-1-1 trade on oil futures. This has been just a money trade all year. We opened this back on May 26th. We just closed it actually today. We were in it for 17 days. We made 1,920 bucks. We captured 103% on this particular trade, which is 5.9% on margin. So we were only in it again for 17 days on this oil trade. We were actually in the trap, which allowed us to get more than 100% on a premium selling trade. So it's always great when you can actually close a trade that you sold uh, for a credit and you can close it out for another credit, giving you more than 100%. So there was the oil 1-1-1 bear trap trade. Then we did a strangle on TLT. That's when we opened on 526 as well. Closed it today. Another 17-day trade, 980 bucks off of this one, 51.9% premium capture. I typically am shooting for 50% on my strangles. Gives me a nice 8.7% return on margin in just 17 days on TLT. So again, time that perfect. We've also got a trade on ZB bond futures as well at the same time. Another trade we did was another oil 1-1-1 trade. This one we opened back on 518. We closed it yesterday on 611. We were in this one for 24 days. We made 1,680 bucks on this trade, a nice 93.3% capture of our premium, which turned out to be a 14.2% return on margin in just 24 days. So again, you're noticing the theme, 1-1x trades, whether it's a 1-1-1, a 1-1-2, whatever it might be, short-term, long-term, doesn't matter. Same systems, different strategy based upon the individual underlying or the regime that we had. I also closed a 1-1-2 on Hood, another bear trap trade here. We opened this one on 521. We closed it yesterday on 611. We were in this one for 21 days. We made 975 bucks, which was a 89% capture of the premium there and gave us a 15.4% return on our margin in just 21 days. Again, you can focus these things to be short term, long term, whatever you're looking for. In fact, we put some new trades on today as well. We'll do that in a separate video. We also did a SPS put credit spread. We opened that on Monday and we closed it on Tuesday. So we were in there for one day. We made 1,000 bucks, our 50%. Simple trade. We do it every week if the conditions are correct, and we make about 1,000 bucks a week on this trade. It's a nice 2.6% return on margin in one day. Okay, go ahead and extrapolate that out. Okay, I'm not trying to create unrealistic expectations here, but this is a pretty profitable trade. We put these on pretty regularly when the conditions make sense, which they do 90% of the time. And we're able to get in and out of these trades usually in 2 to 3 days at most. This was a one-day trade on SPX, but we do this on Mondays. So we only look for a 50% return on the capital that we put in. So perfect. Great trade there on SPX. Again, gives you a sense of some of the variety of trades that we are doing here. So you've got your 1-1X trades, you've got, whether it's 1-1-1, 1-1-2s, 60-day, 17-day, 15-day, whatever trades set up. We've got the poor man covered call trades. Again, those can be 45 to 60-day long calls, but we're only looking to be in it for a week or two. But we also do these put credit spreads on SPX. We also do a naked put on ES. So there's a lot of different trade opportunities there, depending on the regime that we're in. And then the last trade here, when we closed yesterday, this was a poor man's covered call. We call it the call cannon trade. So this was our call cannon trade on UNH. We netted $645 in just 8 days, which was a 2.1% return on capital. So again, the goal here was 1 to 2% a week. Well, we got 2% in 8 days. So just a day over a week, we were able to get 2.1%. Now, if you want to extrapolate that and make those bigger, fine. But we got into those calls back on 6/3, and we were out yesterday on 6/11, 8 days. A nice 3.9% return on margin in just 8 days. We were able to call that trade correctly. We've got several of these on. We're running trades right now in ASTS, Google, Labu, Labu, IREN, IREN, and now NOW. So we've got trades running in those. If you want to find out how we're doing these trades, how you can do them for yourself, again, in just 1 week, we netted $7,200 in a week, not using a ton of capital here, and you're seeing returns. Now, some of these trades did take longer than a week to mature, but just in this week alone, that's what the realized gains were. That's what we're shooting for. Okay, consistent gains using simple strategies over and over, but we're adjusting those strategies based upon the regime we're in, the trade structure, and seeing what the opportunities are. All right, so great stuff. If you want to join, come and see us in the Discord, incomenavigator.com. Come see what we do. Tons of learning resources there. Find out how to put these trades on, how to make yourself more valuable, how to educate yourself. And I guarantee you're going to see some wins and an improvement in your overall mindset, trading skills, trading ability. It's going to pay off for a lifetime. We'll see you there. Take care. Bye-bye.